It's recording.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Corey's Power Farm, and today we are doing the chalkboard, and there won't be any horse riding vlogs for a while because of this injury. Anyways, we have a special guest.
Hi,
Her name is,
Michaela.
and we will be doing the chalkboard today, and our theme is going to be 4th of July, since 4th of July is coming up, so it's going to be patriotic and like foods you would eat on 4th of July.
Like a burger, like a hot.
So, let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is all we have for the chalkboard. My sister went down early to start making cookies.
Yeah.
Yum. So, this was kind of our 4th of July mishmash of things. So we've got, these are supposed to be fireworks, a cheeseburger, because you grill on 4th of July. Some people bring watermelon. We always have watermelon. And that's supposed to be
The Patriot.
okay. That's supposed to be the Patriot symbol. I did a terrible job. Whatever. So for the chalkboard, I used all of the colors in this kit you can get on Amazon. So I used all the colors except for orange and purple. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you next time. Peace.